In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TriStar Bearish, quick and easy, inside Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this walkthrough, so just pull up the chart you usually work with. Once your chart is ready and you can clearly see the candles, we're going to head straight to the Indicators menu. Look toward the top of your screen for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for built-in tools and community scripts that overlay on your chart. In the search bar at the top of this window, type the word STAR. You don't have to type the full pattern name. STAR is enough to filter the list. Give it a second and you'll see a list of results related to star patterns. Among those results, look for TriStar Bearish. This is the specific candlestick pattern indicator we want to add. Once you see TriStar Bearish in the list, simply click on it one time. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically apply that indicator to your active chart. You won't see a big new panel at the bottom like some indicators. Instead, what you'll notice is that the chart will now highlight or mark the areas where a bearish TriStar pattern appears. Take a moment to zoom in and scroll around your chart to see if any signals have been marked. If there aren't any visible yet, that's okay. The pattern is fairly specific, so you may need to change the symbol or time frame to spot examples. You can adjust the time frame using the controls along the top, or switch to a different market from your watch list to see how the indicator behaves. If you want to customize how the TriStar Bearish indicator looks, you can move your mouse over its name in the chart's upper left corner and click on the settings icon. From there, you can change colors, line styles, or visibility to match your charting style and make the signals easier to read. Finally, if you're finding this indicator useful and you're considering upgrading your TradingView experience, check out the affiliate link in the description for TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it can unlock additional features like more indicators per chart, multiple layouts, and enhanced alert options that make working with patterns like TriStar Bearish even smoother.